It's funny how I got just exactly what I want. I'll try to have fun some other time. I thought money was enough, it's just a temporary rush. I'll try to go find some other high. Don't know why I wanna make it even harder, but I'm not the kind of man to take the easy road. So much to do, and not enough time, not enough time. Oh my God, so much to lose. I'm losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Oh my.
Camera? Oh, so I'm sorry. I just wanna record. I just wanna record, sir.
Sorry that I'm not there to give you what you want. I'll think about us some other time.
Say hey, sir.
Yes, good morning. Welcome, Captain.
Thank you.
Welcome on board, Captain.
No, I'm not captain.
You're Captain.
No.
You're Captain of you.
Make it even harder. I'm not the kind of man to take the easy road. I got so much to do, and not enough time.
If you want something, can you send it to me?
Yes,
You can.
my pleasure. No problem. It's my pleasure. Avian, say hey.
Hey, man. What's
Hey.
up?
What's up, Indonesia? This, yeah, we're in Venice,
We're in Venice.
and this is the guy,
Hey, man.
At
We're
the
in
end.
Venice.
my new friend.
Yeah.
I met this guy at the Venice airport
Yeah,
when
man.
this guy hold the Royal Caribbean books, so I know the sign,
Right.
so I can. What is it? Nice.
I got
I forgot.
so much to do, not enough time, not enough time. Oh my God,
It's so amazing. Eh?
so much to lose.
This my luggage is back.